Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, I am Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you the easiest Halloween treat ever. These are spider cupcakes. I make it with a box mix if you want to make it from scratch, albeit, but there's no shame in my game. I like to take shortcuts when I can, and they come out just as delicious. They're absolutely wonderful. They taste good. They look really nice, and you can do these with your kids. You can do this on your own, whatever you want. It's just a fun little activity. I know Halloween looks a little bit different this year, so maybe this will cheer you up. Enjoy.